The letter I. I stands for iguana. The iguana made an impact with its intellect. Ready to write? Let's get started with proper posture. Feet on the floor. Sit up straight. Remember to use the tripod grip. Here's how you hold your pencil if you're right-handed. And if you're left-handed, you need to grip the pencil just a little higher from the point so you can see what you've written. If you're right-handed, position your paper with the right side slanted up slightly. If you're left-handed, slant the left side up slightly. Let's write a lowercase I. Put your pencil on the baseline and curve right up to the dotted line. Then slant back down to the baseline and end with a smile. Pick up your pencil and put a dot over the I just above the dotted line. Write the letter I in the air. Let's practice. Now, let's write an uppercase I. It has a big loop and a rowboat at the bottom. Put your pencil on the baseline and curve slightly left up to the top line. Go right along the top line, then curve down slightly right, meeting the first line a little above the baseline to make your loop. Continue below the loop, curving left to the baseline. Curve up about halfway to the dotted line, then sweep your line across the very bottom of your loop, making a rowboat. You end with your line extended right from the rowboat. Now write the letter I in the air. Let's practice. To connect uppercase I, take the line from your rowboat and use it to connect to the next letter. Let's connect an uppercase I to a lowercase I. Connect lowercase I to the next letter with its smile. Now we can write this sentence. I had a big idea. Have fun practicing your new cursive writing skills.